Threat is a perception. Police has to ensure that there is no threat.
स्पेशल सिक्युरिटी की बात
नाही, बेसिकली एनालायझिस करता ताजी आमची एक स्पेशल ब्रँच असते, स्पेशल कमिटी असता, सिक्युरिटी थ्रेट कमिटी. दे वील टेक एप्रोप्रिएट हे आनी प्रोवायड वॉट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड. थ्रेट म्हणजे ते कितें एक स्पेसिफीक थ्रेट न्ही ते न्ही, म्हणजे XYZ असे मनीस आयडेंटिफाय करपाक जाय. त्यामुळे जनरल वेन ही वॉज गोईंग अराउंड सम पीपल वर फॉलोईंग हिम. पॉसिबली they wanted to talk to him also. You can't know.
It is like only speculation.
I won't call it speculation. He felt that they may be unknown persons. So, and since he has raised the issue against the drugs, maybe possibly someone who is having vested interest in drug dealing, maybe either trying to come and compromise or trying and coming to threaten him. So he felt it. 38 cases have been detected. Material worth about 40 lakhs have been seized. These are all mostly retailers, not big ones. Big ones also will be appropriately at right time.
Any directions to find out source?
Source आणि पहिली सोर्सा पहिली destroy the user network and use places where the uses are there. So anyone involved where the drug is being used in the premises, that will also be under the scanner. We are collecting information. Some informations are required. आणि कोणाकडे आसत धर तूं ताणें कॉन्फिडेन्शियली म्हाका धाडलें धर तूं इन्फॉर्मेशन, आय विल नॉट रिवील द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. And I don't feel any scare of threat or anything. I have been defense minister, so I know how to take care of myself.